Satan speaks. I am he, and I run this place. I deserve this praise, I've become his face. They lost faith because of me, I'm great. I wouldn't brag, but I'd say I'm the reason life's this way. See, I filled their mind with disgrace, I filled their heart with this hate, and their eyes love my darkness. I've made them heartless, they think we're partners. They haven't realized, but they've become my martyrs. I birth murderers, they loathe the hollow tips, but I empty out the clip. It was my hand that clutched his grip. My fingers clicked as he let the bullets rip. I bring jealousy, fear, and envy, now watch them scream. They'll kill each other for a piece of paper painted green. I am the king, and you call yourself the supreme? You cast me deep just to save them from those flaming streams? From those flaming streams that rip my soul from it seems? From those flaming streams that rob me of my precious dreams? Well, now they're my dreams, and I'ma hear them scream. And as they cry, I'll laugh, and then I watch them steam. So while you save men, and as you attempt to change this, I'm making races so that they can make my hate live. And while your missionaries preaching, I'm in the schools, snatching the youth, they follow fools if I make them cool. I told Biggie, shoot that Pac who drop Jigga. Then get on stage and rap about pulling your trigger. And then your rhymes make it cool to be a nigga. Now with the crime rate inclined, check the holy figures. I am the one of a kind mind of a psychopath. I am the heart of a terrorist caused of a plane crash. I am the criminal that invades and won't make a sound. I am the mighty force that brought your towers to the ground. I am the impression that suicide is God's blessing. I am the pressure that drives men deep into depression. I am religion, so many yet only one of me. I am confusion, they'll never know the truth of thee. You held my seat much too long, now your time was in. You made your people strong, but then I made them men. That's right, I made them sin. We shared one mind, and in time they let me in. See, you chased their hearts, but I stole their thoughts. And I made them think, and I made them smart. But they'll never see how deep I had them in the dark. I am he that corrupts their speech. Back for the crown, my time is now, watch my demons preach. With holy stride I fill their pride, and then I'll make them weak. I'll steal their souls, and all will know that Satan speaks.